And the next winner is Muhammad Shafi Ahmad, proprietor, The Accounts, Bhagalpur. And the next winner is Muhammad Shafi Ahmad, proprietor, The Accounts, Bhagalpur. The Accounts is a well-known trading and development company providing high-quality online accounting and taxation courses to a popular YouTube channel. Their success is attributed to designing practical and affordable courses for students through creative YouTube videos. Their engaging and interest-training video content has amassed over 4 lakh subscribers to their YouTube channel, which is huge. And now we request all the winners to kindly join us on the stage for a group picture. So here are the business maestros of Tally MSME Honors 2024. Mr. Gaurav Binani and Priyank Parak, Mr. Sumit Periwal and Amit Periwal, Mr. Aditya Bikram Birla, Mr. Sumit Chanduka and Muhammad Shafi Ahmad. Congratulations to all the winners. You achieving this milestone is definitely setting a precedent for others to follow. Our heartfelt congratulations once again.